Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing my April Essential Rewards order. Before we get started opening my rewards order, something exciting is launching soon. So if you are like me and struggle with seasonal allergies, anytime the seasons change really, I get allergies, but spring is the worst. The pollen, the dander, the everything, the grass, it just makes and you can probably hear it in my voice right now because it's early in the morning and I haven't really fully woken up yet. I haven't done anything for my allergies yet. But anyways, Fume is launching a Lemon Berry Bliss core and it is specifically to support your allergies. This is the core pack. This is Lemon Berry Bliss. Okay, super exciting. Before I jump into my box, Fume is launching a new core on the 23rd. I don't know what day this video will go live, but if it's the 23rd or after, you have to run to their website and get these Lemon Berry Bliss cores. They are specifically for allergies, seasonal allergies, and very supportive in that way. It has the lavender, lemon, peppermint combo. Sorry if you hear Frankie. But it also has some other really good oils to kind of support you in like a full spectrum kind of way. It has ylang ylang, spearmint, and I will maybe list the other ones in the description. But if you have allergies, you need this. It's way better, in my opinion, than just the regular lavender, how can I say it? Lavender, lemon, peppermint, that little trio. It's better, it smells better. It's like more minty and fresh and I really have been loving it. So you guys have to go check it out. Don't forget to use my code if you want to save 10%. But anyways, let's get into my Essential Rewards order. This month we got quite a bit. It was a bigger order than usual. I just needed a couple of extra things. So I think we're at 190 PV. So if you're wondering about the freebies and stuff that we got. So I will save those for last, but oh, I'm so excited. So many good things. We've already opened the box because I got this a few days ago and I was dying to try these, so a couple are already out. But this is Ningxia Zing. It's the first time I'm trying them and I tried one yesterday and I love it. I love it so much. It's funny because I used to, before kids, I used to love Red Bull. And since kids, I don't know, I was like pregnant breastfeeding for so long that I kind of just gave it up. And I just like drink coffee, but I was wanting something that is just a little bit better than coffee for my like afternoon pick-me-up. And it's so good. I think it does remind me of Red Bull a little bit, like the sugar-free ones. It's pretty light, it's sweet, and it also has black pepper, so it has that little kick, but it's really good. I just had it by itself. A lot of people mix this with Ningxia or with other juices or other like sparkling waters. I just had it straight up and it was really good. So definitely recommend these. Especially, I don't know, I just feel like in the summertime or in the warmer months, I want something different than coffee to drink, even in the morning. So got those, they're super good, kind of pricey, but so is Ningxia. It's just name of the game when you want something that good and as beneficial as Ningxia is. Okay, the next couple of things are kids items. We've already opened these too because they were super excited. But this is a new product to us. We haven't tried these yet and I don't know why. These are the kids multivitamin and it is a wild berry blend. It has a bunch of different vitamins, minerals, superfoods, let's see, citrus flavonoids from this tangerine citrus peel. That's super cool. Just a bunch of different things that I just feel like it's a good, clean multivitamin for the girls. It does say ages 4 and up. Let me see, didn't it? Yeah, ages 4 to 12. Take 4. I thought that's excessive. So I mean, Emery probably will take that, but I just gave Zara 1. She's only 2, so use that as at your own discretion. Next thing, we love these and we get these regularly. This is the pre and probiotics. They're little packets. Is that focusing? So it comes in a big bag. It comes with 30 of them. They last us quite a while, the month for, I mean, we miss a couple of days here and there, but this is a little packet. They taste really good and the girls like them. And also if you're traveling and these are, and you want to take your supplements but don't want to bring like a bottle, these are really easy and convenient to travel with too. Okay, next, this looks like another supplement too. Oh yeah. Life 9. This is the adult probiotic. Probiotics are super important. I would encourage you to do some research on the gut-brain connection, gut health. It's basically, the gut is like the center. It's like your second brain. Having and supporting your gut health is beneficial in so many ways. So definitely, if you haven't incorporated a probiotic, I definitely recommend it. We've been taking probiotics regularly for years now. It completely changed my digestive system, and there's so many other benefits too. Okay, next, oils. Ooh, I am so excited. Every time I went to buy this, it was out of stock, and it was finally in stock when I went to get it. This is vanilla. It launched, I think, around like Christmas time. It's been around for a while, but I just haven't gotten it yet, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna smell it right now. I usually use just like vanilla extract in my diffusers for the vanilla notes, but this is good. It's really good. It's very sweet. It's like a cookie. It's like sugar cookie. It kind of smells like flour, like a literal like cookie, sugar cookie dough. Sugar cookie dough. It's really good. I haven't had my second cup of coffee yet. I need to crack one of those things. Okay, next. Ooh, this might be free. Let me just check really quick. I don't think I would have ordered those, so I think those are my free ones. So let me just check the rest of this real quick. Next, oil. This might have been free too. Citrus Fresh. So I think I got 3 oils for free. Citrus Fresh. This is a big guy too. And so this is like a multi-purpose. This is one of the oils we never run out of. It comes in the starter kit for good reason. It can be used for so many things. So it's really good. It's also Vitality. It comes in a white label Vitality. The oil in those bottles are the same, by the way. So if I was holding a white labeled one and this one, it's the same exact oil. Just an FYI. But so you can put it in drinks, in water. You can put it on your laundry, your dryer balls, in your fabric softener, all your cleaners. We like to put it down our disposal when it's stinky, in our dishwasher when it's stinky. We just have a lot of stinky stuff. If you're doing like a load in your washer to clean the actual washer, this is really good. I like it better than just like say an orange or a tangerine because it has spearmint in it, so it's just fresh. That's where the fresh comes in. Citrus Fresh, so good. So these two, I'll just show you quickly, I guess. I think these were free. This is Tangerine. I don't know if we have gotten Tangerine before. That's weird. I must have. I just don't get it on the reg. That smells good. So something I've been listening to an essential oil podcast, and I've been learning a lot. But something with the citrus oils is they're different from all the other oils because they're cold pressed. They literally just squeeze with a special device. They squeeze all of the oil out of the peels, and it's not from the actual like plant leaves and that sort of, or that part of the plant. So I thought that was cool. And that tangerine smells just like a peel, so it reminded me of that. This is Peppermint. I think this was also free. This comes in the starter kit as well, and also can be used for so many things. Just right off the top of my head, we use it for headaches. Just roll it on your temples. It can also be used for bad breath. You can get one of those sprayer tops and just kind of spray it. You can dilute too if you want, because it's very potent. But peppermint can be used for everything. Like I just mentioned, it's in my allergy blend. It's in that new allergy fume core. It's very versatile. Okay, I think I have one more thing. This was a big order. We usually try to stick around 100 just because we have so many oils and we're really pretty stocked up on most things. So we don't usually order this much. Okay, this is a restock for Chris. And we just stayed in oil on men. We just did an oil. I need my second cup of coffee. We just did a video on men and essential oils, and he talked about all of his favorites and how he uses oils and how he kind of got into it after I did. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you go back and watch that. But this is one of his favorites. This is Northern Lights Black Spruce. Along with Idaho Blue Spruce, he uses these every day. And yeah, just go back and watch that video because it's really good. And just to get a different perspective, you know, from his point of view on how oils have impacted our family, this is so good. So unlike the citrus oils, all of these like tree oils and other plant and flower oils, they are steam distilled. And so it's just a whole different thing. It's very interesting. I'm actually thinking about doing a video on basically just on extraction, like how essential oils are made from the plant and what part of the plant and all of that. So let me know if that would be interesting to you. Put a comment down below and I will film that. I love learning about that, so just let me know if you would too. But oh, this is so good. It is so woodsy nature. It just like going on a hike. And this is so good in different diffuser blends too. I think it's actually in like a super popular one that everyone does and I haven't done yet. The volcano or something, I don't know, some candle that I was not aware of before using oils. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's see. Okay, and just to recap, yeah, so the 3 oils that I got for free were the Tangerine, Peppermint, and Citrus Fresh, all big bottle oils. All of those are free. On top of that, I spent $190, so I got approximately 40. I get 20, do I get 20 or 25? I need to check on that. I don't know if it's 20 or 25, but I got approximately $40 back in my account right now, just for placing this order that I can go and order like my concealer or whatever I need. We usually like to use my points for Ningxia because it's expensive, but anyways, Essential Rewards is really cool. It is changing though soon, so don't get too excited. It's changing for the better, and Young Living is introducing a subscribe and save type of program, which makes things really easy, and it has its benefits too. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions on anything that I got this month, or on Essential Rewards, or on Young Living. Don't forget to go shop Fume. It is breathefume.com. These are the new cores, Lemon Berry Bliss, and you can use my code Torey.Noora for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.